Hi there, I'm Natasha Antonioni with Austin Life, and today we are doing a DIY project for my daughter's bedroom. I had these old canvases from my salon days when I used to own hair salons, and I didn't want to throw them away, so I said, what can I do with these? And I decided to do an art project, a little bit of boho meets happy, friendly kid vibe. So let's check it out. Here we are with the finished product, and you see how they just fit perfectly in her bedroom, one on each side of the windows. So there we go, guys. Well, please make sure to leave a comment below, like, and hit that subscribe button so you can stay abreast of all things Austin real estate, design, and DIY. We'll see you soon. Bye.